Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing U.S. marriage visas. Now that may include the K-3 visa, the CR-1 visa, or the IR-1 visa for the spouses of American citizens. And we're specifically discussing this in the context of or in front of the backdrop, if you will, of the COVID-19 situation. And we're specifically discussing it in the context of medical examinations. So for those who are unaware, medical examinations are an integral part of the interview process associated with final approval of a K-3 visa, CR-1 visa, or IR-1 visa. And for this reason, notwithstanding the fact the embassies and consulates are currently closed or most of them that I know of are currently closed with respect to IV unit and NIV unit, that's the immigrant visa unit and non-immigrant visa unit processing for these types of visas. We are still going to have to deal with medical examinations in the aftermath of COVID-19. And the question is, will COVID-19 tests become part of those medical exams? Well, quite possibly. In fact, I'd say there's a good chance that may occur. Presumably, one aspect of the visa adjudication process is ensuring that an individual does not pose a public health risk, and COVID-19 has been deemed to be a public health risk, so therefore testing for it would seem logical under the circumstances. Another question is, well, we've already done our medical exam, we were waiting for interview, the embassy closed, and now we are, we're sort of hanging around in limbo. What do we do there? Well, it remains to be seen. We're going to be dealing with that as it comes when they reopen the embassies over here, or out here, I should say. And, we simply don't know exactly what exactly is going to happen. That being said, as I've noted in prior videos on this channel, it's not a bad idea if you are sort of doing this yourself and you're unsure and in some cases, we have people that are very apprehensive about this. It's not a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, if for no other reason than to gain some insight and guidance into how this is likely to work in the aftermath of COVID-19 and the embassy resuming things. I've been out here for multiple embassy shutdowns for various reasons, including government shutdowns back in the U.S., various situations here in Southeast Asia where embassies have had to close, or at least the immigrant and non-immigrant visa units have ceased operation, at least for a short period of time, or relatively short period of time, certainly compared to what we're dealing with now. And under those circumstances, I've gained some insight into how things work when things reopen. So the thing to take away from this video is medical exams are certain to be part of the process. Exactly what those exams look like remain to be seen. And especially for those who are kind of stuck in limbo, I think you folks are really going to be sort of the guinea pigs. I don't mean to make light of this, but the guinea pigs as to how this is going to work when things reopen after COVID-19 comes to an end.